Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this today tutorial video, I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your videos, how you can make videos with this website. And the name of that website is invideo.io. So the link is in the description below. Click the link in the description below, then you will end up on this on their home page. So what you need to do is basically set up your account. Okay, so on this website you can create kind of videos, like if you are making videos for your YouTube, if you are making a video for YouTube, if you are making a video for your blog, or if you want to make a video, for a brand or whatever, if you want to promote any product, so you can use this website, in this Invideo, to make all videos, any type of varieties you want. So you can use this website. This website is a powerful website. I use this to promote I use this to promote my affiliate product, to make videos on them, and I upload the videos on YouTube, and it's making a killing for me. So in this today video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this, how you can set things up on this website without making any mistakes. So guys, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button. What that notification button does for you is that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you are watching right now, you won't be missing out. Alright guys, let's get started. So once you click the link in the description, you will end up here. So you just come right here, sign up. If you don't have any account before, just come right here, sign up your account. Just hit this, your full name, or you can just sign up with your email address, your Google. You can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Facebook, so anyone you want. So but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna log in. I have my account already, so I'm just gonna log in. Yeah, as you can see, this is my dashboard, right? This is my dashboard. Okay, so just come right here. This is the template right here. Text to video, stock media editor. Just come right here, this one right here, text to video. Hit this. Yeah, the next step is you select your template, the templates you want to use for this video. There are tons of templates. You just select the one that befits you. So I'm just gonna select, let's look for something nice. Okay, let me go with this. Okay, as you can see, select the size. It's in landscape. This one is basically for YouTube. If you want to create a video for YouTube, you can use this one right here. This one is for portrait. So but I will not recommend that you select this one right here. I will not recommend this, but it depends on what you want to make, guys. So but for the purpose of this tutorial video, let's go for this. Use template. Yeah, here we are. So this is where it's demanding for your script. So how do you do this? You can write your script to yourself. If you are creating a video, just like I said earlier, if you are making a video, for like maybe for brand, or for like company, or if you want to promote any offer out there, you want to just have to write the script. Or if you don't know how to, you can just go to Fiverr, just hire someone, tell that someone this is what you want. It's going to write the script for you. So you just come right here. I already have my script already, so I'm just gonna come here, pick my script. But one thing, guys, make sure the script you are writing is not really that much. Okay, just make it short, like 300 words or 500 words. Okay, because if it's too much, Invideo will not take that. Okay, so this article that I write right here is more than it's more than like 500. I'm just gonna shorten it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just gonna copy this, come right here and paste it right here. Okay, for the best experience, keep the script under 30 seconds. Okay, you can just cross check. Yeah, just put in the title right here. The title is the best meal, best meal, best meal to lose weight. Okay, so once you've done that, just come right here. You can see this right here, eat next. So it's gonna too much text for one sentence. Do you want autos to rearrange? Yes, exactly, rearrange the text. Okay, so once you've done that, hit this next. You've exceeded oh shit. Okay, let's read this one. That is too much, just like I said earlier. The word is too much. Okay, let's cut this off. Okay guys, as you can see, I've deleted some. Okay, now we can proceed. Just hit this next right here. Now it's creating our video for us. Okay, just give it a while guys. It's loading, it's creating our video, so just give it a while. It's gonna create our video now. Yeah, as you can see, and our video is being created. Okay, it's gonna automatically create the video for us. It's gonna put all the pictures, all the necessary things. It's gonna put it right there. As you can see, you can just scroll down. Anyone you don't like guys, you just come right here. You can see this picture right here. If you don't like it, you can delete it and put your own. Just like I say, if you are promoting if you are creating a video, promoting a brand, you can you just, that brand, that company just have to upload their picture right there, just like this. You delete this one right here, just come right here, come to upload, upload media. It's gonna take you to your file, you're gonna take it to your computer, where you can pick the pictures and just put it right there. Okay, just select any picture right here. Let's see this one right here. No, it's not a picture. Okay, you can just select this right here. Yeah, and once you've done that, just drag it here. You can see it has been replaced. So that's how you do this guys. That's how you do this. Any picture you see, you don't like it, you just replace it. Okay, just replace it. Okay, once you've done that, now we need a voiceover, right? So come right here. You can see this advanced editor. Just hit this one right here and give it a while. It's loading. This is where we are going to put our voiceover. Yeah, as you can see this right here, best me to lose weight. Okay, voiceover, you come right here, automated speech. Yeah, you can select the speaker. You can see Sally right here, Matthew, Kimberly, Kendra, Justin, and Joey. So you can just play.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
You can just select something that is realistic, okay, something that is very, very realistic, that is going to convince people. Just for me, I normally use Sally. This is the two I use. I use Sally and I use Matthew. So you can just select. If you don't like Sally, you don't like Matthew, you can select Kimberly or Kendra. So that does it. So once you've done that, just hit this. Come right here, generate voiceover. As you can see, this is the voiceover right here.
Best meal to lose weight.
Yeah, just hit this one right here. Add to scene. It has been added. Okay, you see that, right? So I'm still gonna show you how you can set this up. So once you've done that, just hit this one, drag it right here. Try to expand it. It has been expanded. Okay, just come right here, you need to make sure everything is aligned with each other, guys, because if you don't, it's gonna, your video won't make sense, you know. So you need to align. You can see this voice right here, this voiceover, it must, you know, it must align with each other. It must be accurate. It must be accurate. You can see. So you still need to drag it a little bit. Yeah, you can see this line right here, this line, it has been aligned with each other. Okay, so go to the next scene. You can see this one right here. You do exactly the same thing, you know. Automated speech, Sally, generate voiceover, add to scene. So you can see, you drag it exactly. Okay, it has matched already, so you don't need to do anything. You don't need to reduce this scene already. Come to the next scene, do exactly the same thing, add scene, add to scene. You drag this right here. Okay, hope you are getting this, guys. If you are having any difficulty, you know, just leave a comment in the comment section below. Just ask your question in the comment section below, and I will get to answer you back, you know, concerning this, if you don't know how to do it, you know. So the next thing is, come right here also, just do exactly the same thing. Repeat it, guys, until you finish what you are doing. So just drag it. Okay, it's aligned already. Okay, come right here. The next one. As you can see, they are not aligned, so you need to drag this in. Yeah, it must be equal. As you can see, it's already equal. So you go to the next scene also. As the same. Yeah, you drag it right here. Okay, you drag it right here. Make it to align with each other. You know, it has to be equal. So when you are playing this video, it won't be, you know, scene one will not go to scene 2, or scene 2 go into 3. You know, when we are done, you know what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna play it, then you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the next one is, okay, guys, now our video is ready. It has already completed. Okay, now what you need to do now is, after you finish all the sound settings, you know, the voiceover, you set everything in order, just come right here. You can see this right here, download size. You just hit that. But before that, let me show you something real quick. So if you click this right here now, you can make some tweak, you know. You can place this right here like this, you know. This has no picture right now. Just come right here, drag this right here. Yeah, you can just put this, you can put this right here, you know. Okay, once you've done that, maybe you are promoting a brand or whatever, just that company brand. Let's take for instance this one. You can just drag this right here, you can put it here, you know. Yeah, and just put it right here, made in USA, you know. As you can see, you can even change the background, you can change the color. You can change the color from black to, you know, maybe you want red, maybe you want blue, or whatever, anything that suits you, right? So it has a lot of features, guys. You can just, you know, make your video professional. You know how you can make your video professional, you know, just play around, you know. So that's how to do this, guys. That's how to do this. Once you've done that, you know, you can come right here. You can come right here and download. You see this Invideo right here. So this is where you know, how will I say it, this video you are seeing right here, this Invideo watermark you are seeing right here, once you download the video, it's gonna be there. Why? Because you are using a free plan. If anybody is using a free plan, this any video you make with Invideo, their watermark is gonna be there. Or if you use paid plan, which is this right here, if you upgrade to paid plan, $15 per month, this watermark right here it's not gonna be there. So it's gonna be removed. So that is it. If you don't have money, you can just use it. Nobody cares though. Just you want to create your video, just make your video, upload it on YouTube and start making money or whatever you want, anything you want to do with your video. So nobody cares. But if you don't like, if you really care, you don't like watermark to be on your video, so you need to upgrade. You have to upgrade to $15 per month. So that is it. So once you've done that, you just come right here. Let's download our video now. It's ready. You can see if you are using paid plan, this one you can download 1080 pixel. But this one right here, if you are using a free good quality video, HD 720 pixel, so just this one right here, hit export. So it's gonna export the video. Yeah, so you can see this is the video right here. The video is being you know, it's resending so that we can download it. So just give it a while before it finish. So once you finish that, so just give it a while. It's trying to create the video now. So once you've done that, just hit download. You will see the download button right here. You can download. So but now you can't download. So guys, don't forget, if you really get value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. And one more thing, guys, before I go, there is another website, you know, it's more of like this Invideo, but that one is far way better than this. So I don't know how to say this, guys, but I use that for myself. That one I'm gonna be maybe in my next video, you know, I'm gonna be uploading that video probably tomorrow, you know, after this video. So I'm gonna be showing you another one in case you don't like Invideo, you can use the other one. The other one has no limit, you know, you can, as many as article you want, you can upload it right there, and it's gonna create your video for you, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it doesn't matter. So I use that for myself, you know, anytime I want to make a, you know, like long video, a detailed video. So I use that one myself. So but if I just want to create a short video, you know, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I use Invideo. So that probably in my next video I'm going to be showing you this this website, and you can also use it, you know, it's going to help you. So as you can see, our video is ready now to be downloaded. So just hit this right here, you can see this, hit this, and you can see it's been downloaded. So that's how you do this, guys. So whatever you want to, you know, if you're a freelancer, if you have any client on Fiverr, just now your work is done, just basically send that person this video you've created. That is just it. Or if you want to upload this video on YouTube, you can upload it, you know. That is just it. That's how to do this, guys. That's how to do this. So if you really get value from this video, once again, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button. So in my next video, I'm gonna be dropping the other website that you can use also, you know, to make your videos. So guys, until I see you in my next video, don't forget, guys, Timmy loves you. Bye bye.